Hi, my name's Tom. We're in our newly painted bathroom. We're still working on it, still a work in progress. We don't have floors in yet, but I wanted to talk about this triangular kind of this vanity that my wife picked up. So here's the vanity itself. You can see me in the mirror here. This mirror does come with it. It is built on. It does spin back and forth. It is one-sided mirror. It is not a magnifying mirror, but it's nice and bright. I'm going to show you this in a second. The actual triangular depth part does fit into the corner of a room very nicely. It has a great shelf in the back here. You can see it has drawers, and there is glass on the drawers, so you can actually see what's in the drawers. This piece right here is separate. It does work as a stand. I ended up using some screw mounts and actually mounting it into the furniture. You don't have to do that. It doesn't come with it, but I found that normally it just kind of sits loose. I did want it to tie a little better, but again, same idea. Drawers come out, and you have stuff in them, and you can see stuff right there. The nice thing about this is it does have power on the side. I can go ahead and turn this on here, and I can turn some lights on. There we go. My finger's a little wet. So there's one light. I can tap it again. I can get kind of a warmer light, and it turns all the lights on at once. And I can kind of tap it one more time. I'm kind of mixed lights there, and I can tap it again. I can just turn it off. It also has two USB ports. One USB-C and one regular USB, and then you actually have two plugs as well. And what happens is all the power kind of goes in the back, and it goes out here, and you can actually plug it into the wall right there. So the whole thing is powered with one cord, and then you get two extra plugs here, plus the USB, and the light, obviously. So there you go. It does look nice. I like the light a lot. My wife uses it a bit. It did take a while to build. It probably took, probably 2 or 3 hours of me just building it. And be careful, because it's triangular, it is very, very large, and it may not fit to the doorway exactly the way you want. So you might have to just kind of check your sizing out a little bit. But you get this, you get 2 drawers, you get the drawer over here, you got a cabinet over here, plus you get all this space back here. I know it's got a lot of stuff right now, and you got a mirror, but it's all really a very, very nice corner cabinet. If you're looking for a corner vanity, this is one to get. It's got a lot of nice features.